Ducati Multistrada V4 Rally Popular 2024 Motorcycles. Ducati, the renowned Italian motorcycle manufacturer, has once again pushed the boundaries of adventure riding with the launch of the 2024 Multistrada V4 Rally Edition. This special edition motorcycle is designed to excel in off-road environments, offering riders the ultimate combination of performance, versatility, and rugged capability for conquering the most challenging trails and terrain. At the heart of the Multistrada V4 Rally Edition lies Ducati's powerful V4 engine, delivering exhilarating performance and responsive power delivery. With 170 horsepower and 92 lb-ft of torque on tap, this liquid-cooled, 1,158 cubic centimeters engine provides riders with plenty of power for tackling steep inclines, navigating rocky terrain, and powering through deep sand with ease. The engine's smooth power delivery and broad torque curve make it ideal for off-road riding, providing riders with the confidence and control needed to tackle any adventure. The design of the 2024 Multistrada V4 Rally Edition is inspired by Ducati's legendary off-road racing heritage, featuring a rugged and aggressive aesthetic that exudes adventure. The bike's robust bodywork, skid plates, and handguards provide added protection from rocks, debris, and other obstacles encountered on the trail, while its high ground clearance and long travel suspension ensure smooth and controlled handling in even the most challenging conditions. The Multistrada V4 Rally Edition also features wire spoke wheels with tubeless tires, providing superior traction and durability off-road. In addition to its off-road ready design, the Multistrada V4 Rally Edition comes equipped with a host of advanced features and technologies that enhance its performance and rider experience. The bike features Ducati's cutting-edge electronics package, including cornering ABS, Ducati traction control, DTC, Ducati wheelie control, DWC, and multiple riding modes, allowing riders to customize the bike's performance to their preferences and riding conditions. The Multistrada V4 Rally Edition also features semi-active Ducati Skyhook suspension, DSS, providing exceptional comfort and stability on both paved and unpaved surfaces. The Multistrada V4 Rally Edition is a game-changer for off-road enthusiasts, said one Ducati enthusiast. Its combination of power, agility, and advanced technology make it the ultimate adventure machine for tackling any terrain. Dealerships are already reporting strong interest in the 2024 Multistrada V4 Rally Edition, with many customers eager to experience its off-road capabilities and rugged performance for themselves. With its combination of style, performance, and versatility, the Multistrada V4 Rally Edition is poised to become a favorite among riders seeking a motorcycle that can handle the toughest adventures with ease. As Ducati continues to innovate and expand its lineup of adventure motorcycles, the Multistrada V4 Rally Edition stands out as a true testament to the brand's commitment to excellence. With its rugged design, advanced technology, and exhilarating performance, the Multistrada V4 Rally Edition is sure to inspire riders to push their limits and embark on epic off-road adventures with confidence and style.